We are often asked how to get a print centered on exactly the opposite side of an existing print or brand mark on a tumbler using the LogoJET Rotary device. In this video, we will show you a very simple method to nail the center every time. Measuring your tumbler. First, measure the diameter of your tumbler. Next, multiply the diameter by pi, which is 3.14, to find the circumference. Divide the circumference by 2 to find the semicircle position. This will be the center of the art file on the opposite pole in the y-axis. Make a note of this value and we will use it in a few minutes. Setting up the rotary and tumbler. Slide your rotary onto the print bed and connect it to the magnet posts on the frame. Align the inside of the right side of the rotary along the start of the printable area that is marked down the right side of your printer bed. Bring the front edge of your printable area that is marked on the printer bed to the center of the center magnets on your rotary device. With the brand mark facing upward, place your tumbler with the brand mark centered above the line printed out on your print bed. Finally, height your tumbler to the print carriage. Setting up your artwork in Print Pro. In Print Pro, drag and drop a guide bar at the semicircle position down the y-axis. Find the center point on your tumbler's printable area on the x-axis. Drag and drop another guide bar to mark the center of your printable area on the x-axis. Double-click your artwork to place it on the print bed. Size and rotate your art file accordingly. Hold Control on your keyboard to drag and drop your art file to the crosshairs of the guide bars. Send your job to print.
Thank you for watching our video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to our support team.